Silver monthly time frame, because some of you were asking for silver. First, this is stagflation cycle, and second, this year, even if Fed start cutting interest rate, but recovery policy will only start in 2024, and next year we also have election, and this global economy cannot work without 0% interest rate and Fed QE monetary policy. And silver investor already know this game. This vertical line was your 2020 Fed QE monetary policy. That bottom survived, and now these buyers are buying for future QE monetary policy announcement. But there is a race between three things. Number one, gold, then Bitcoin, and your silver. And if you compare these three things, you can buy Bitcoin, but problem is ownership. If your crypto exchange announce bankruptcy, and they can make you fool that somebody hacked their wallet, and you should not take risk with your life saving. And Bitcoin does not have 1,000 year track record like gold and silver. Even if you are genius computer scientist, still there is a chance that somebody can steal your Bitcoin. But when you compare gold and silver, we all know gold is almost near all-time high, but silver is below its all-time high, and there is a big gap. And when central bank will start printing money in next year 2024, these things will make all-time high. So silver investor have crystal clear answer. If they buy at current price, this all-time high is your exit, and you can know in advance that how much return you will get. Because once the gold made all-time high, their investor will live in fear 24 hours, because they do not have clear answer that how high gold will go. So that buying that FOMO is before Fed QE official announcement, and your target is $47. But before that, your next and nearest resistance is $26, then 50% retracement 30, then 61% retracement 35 of this previous bearish trend. But if somehow you got chance and price retrace back to 21, then don't forget to buy, and your TP will be new high above $30. So according to monthly time frame, first resistance 26.10, then 30.72, then 35.23. And if it don't make all-time high, these silver investor will regret their entire life. And if you forget everything, Elliott wave, and focus simple price action, then this was your bottom and this was your top. This was first vertical trend on 2020 Fed QE monetary policy announcement, and this was your bear market. And now this is your first impulsive wave, and correction has been started. After correction, it will break this previous high near $30. But for your entry, this horizontal level from 2142 to 2259 is your horizontal support zone. If price come back inside this support zone, buy, and target $30. And for more clarity on H4 time frame, before this trend line was broken, I updated in Telegram channel, and this was your ending diagonal chart pattern. But after end of this chart pattern, price is still sideways, and this can be your AVC flat correction. On H4, if it makes new low, that's mean coming back inside this weekly support zone, then buy, or wait for clear breakout of this resistance zone. After breakout, it will give you one retest entry, then you can buy. But this is sideways correction range, and if you are buying inside this sideways range, then you will have to manage your risk up to 21.42, because this is your next big support level.